So we start off the week by referencing Jamaica's sprint ace, Shelly-ann Fraser-Pryce's Blistering 10.67 run over the weekend, her first 100-meter race of the season, as she glided to her third fastest time over the distance. And we are set with the Diamond League Series starting this week, and with the Oregon World Championships now beckoning, and with that women's 100 still the race to watch, even though it was at high altitude. This point in the season, 10.67, is a game changer. We hear the concerns being expressed that Shelly running this time so early in the season is a problem, but me not think so. I think she's where she is now and will run even faster as the season progresses. Me just feel like say Shelly at 35, I give it one final push. And as she said before, she has that world record on her radar. And deep down, she wants to nick that record before Elaine, and then she hang up her spikes. But that's just my opinion. And opinion is not facts. Plus, if you don't know nothing, I just start me a talk. More cross way, and it makes me talk, so me just talk, me don't really, Murphy don't know nothing.